Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Nguyen Phat Tools channel. Today I'm going to introduce a software that can help you boost the SEO score of your YouTube videos and get them to rank at the top. Specifically, how to get your video to rank number 1. As you know, SEO is extremely important for YouTube. Each YouTube video can be optimized with specific keywords like this one, which helps your video appear in search results and attract more viewers. So, how can we increase views and improve the SEO score? The answer is, we use automation software, like a YouTube bot, that can search for keywords and watch videos automatically. In addition to selecting the right keywords, you'll need to push those keywords to the top by increasing the number of searches and interactions. Let me show you how our software works. First, we have the account management section. This allows you to add and manage multiple YouTube accounts. Here, you can also add proxies so that each account uses a different IP address. We're using an anti-detect browser setup, which I talked about in my last video. You can check that out on my channel. To boost the keyword rankings, we go to the seeding function. In this section, choose Seeding Video by Keyword. Seeding means the software will watch, like, comment on, and subscribe to the video that you target. Now I'll show you how to set it up. You configure the script for actions like watch time, e.g. 150 to 180 seconds, comment content, and the target keyword. Then, you input the keyword you want to boost. For example, I want to rank a video for the keyword auto like and comment Instagram. After entering the keyword and video link, each account will automatically search for the keyword and find the video via the search results, rather than directly visiting the link. This mimics real user behavior. Next, you select the accounts you want to use and click Start. The software will begin working automatically. Our tool uses its own built-in browser, MKT browser, which is an anti-detect browser. Each account operates with a separate IP and device fingerprint, minimizing the risk of detection. This is especially useful to bypass limitations from platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Once everything is running, you'll see the software open the browser, search for the keyword, and interact with the video just like a real user. That's basically how the software works. If you need more information, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. The details are pinned in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Nguyen Phat Tools channel.